Okay. Oh, good morning, everybody. I know this is a slightly unusual situation for you. I can tell you it's completely unusual for me. My name's Alistair Routledge. I'm the President and General Manager of Exxon Mobil here in Qatar. Everyone knows what a function is. You've done functions?
Yes.
Excellent. Well, that's a good start. So we're going to talk about composite functions. Have you any idea, has anybody read yet what a composite function is? The moment the door closes, you know you're on your own. It's time. There's always a moment where you just take that breath and go, okay, time to start. But within a minute or so, we were up and running and the class is good. I think because I had taken the time to prepare, I think as in everything in life, preparation is key. And so I was comfortable, I knew what I was going to do. I had a little bit of a course plan worked out. So if you're then going to simplify that, who can tell me how do you go about simplifying so that you can see what the most simple function?
You expand it first and then distribute.
Okay, so tell me how would you do that?
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1.
And then another distribute 2x multiplied by 2x and then 2x multiplied by 1 and then 1 multiplied by 2x and then 1 times 1.
Okay, can you do all of that in your head?
No.
You want me to write it out?
Yes.
So what's the... I think the challenge I felt was how do I make sure that I'm relating to the students, because it's easier in a work setting or a conference or something where people kind of know where you're coming from or they're there because you're all in the same industry or something of that nature. But when you stand in front of a class and you realize you're trying to teach something that is a long way from what's normally the things you're talking about. Does anybody have any idea why we would use composite functions? The world is becoming more technological. You know, whether it's the phone in your pocket or as I was speaking to your teacher earlier on, you open the hood or the bonnet of a car. And when I was young as a student, I had an old car and I could open it up and I could work on the engine. Nowadays you open it up and the first thing you see is a big cover and you have to plug a computer in. So all these things you learn in math have a huge application, whether you're going into the science field or indeed whether you decide you want to run your own business or be a teacher. Understanding math is absolutely critical. It's a foundational subject. It's bridging the gap, if you like, and not in a negative way, but in the sense of how do I make this interesting? You know, I understand it, but how do I help them understand it and make it interesting and relevant to life? You want something a little more challenging? All right. Minus 3x squared minus 1. Very good. Very good. I can see this is the advanced class. Oh, you've done it. You don't appreciate some of the challenges. You know, you think, oh yeah, you know, that's an easy job. They have long summer holidays, and it's a nice, easy job. But it's not. I mean, the things you have to be prepared. The children are there to learn from you. I have a real passion for education. I studied to be an engineer. To me, that education at school and in university gave me the opportunity to travel the world, to have a really interesting, wonderful career with a big oil and gas company, Exxon Mobil. There's a big onus on your shoulders to do it properly. And to do that properly needs preparation, needs thought. You need to be concentrated on all the students in the class. That's demanding. So I don't think we can ever underestimate the responsibility that goes with being a teacher. Keep learning math, keep learning the sciences. I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. Thank you. The big onus on your shoulders to do it properly. Don't think we can ever underestimate the responsibility that goes with being a teacher.